in both of these poses, but not so much toes. Squeeze the knees towards each other. Curl the sit bones under. Curl the shoulder blades apart, armpits in, and press the upper back through the chest in the direction you're facing as the hamstrings push in the direction away from you towards the knees. Stay as long as feels right for you, and whenever you feel ready, exhale, tuck the chin, roll down, and this time, finally, feel free. Hug the knees gently in towards the chest. Even as you hug the knees towards the chest, I like to resist a little bit with the knees, so push them towards either the hands or the forearms. You'll feel an engagement in the thighs and in the core and a softening in the groin and hips. Take that pressure and move it in little circles. Massage your back and your hips with the movement of your legs. You can make smaller circles or bigger circles. You can make it slower or faster, whatever feels good. When you're ready, reverse direction, circle the other way as well. Soft shoulders, long neck. And to counter pose a little bit everything we've been doing, go even a little bit deeper. Let's take happy baby pose. So separate the knees, grab the outer feet, and as the feet push up against the resistance of the hands, spread the collarbones, wide chest, let the shoulders become heavy and the neck long. The tendency here is for the tail to come off the ground, and that's okay, but do your best to reach it back down so the thighs come off the belly has room to narrow, and the thighs have room to twist a little bit deeper as well. Feel free to move this around and side to side or little circles. Feel free to straighten one leg and pull the other knee to the ground and switch back and forth. You can even straighten both legs and let the weight of the arms open your hamstrings a little bit more. Now when you're ready, bring the bottoms of your feet together. Take your hands under your heels and grab the outsides of your ankles. Push the feet